Introducing the Manthey Performance Kit for the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. A comprehensive upgrade designed to elevate the track capabilities of this high-performance sports car. The Manthey Kit incorporates various aerodynamic components designed to boost downforce and enhance stability. It features a larger front lip supported by carbon fiber reinforcements and a front splitter add-on to improve front-end downforce. Carbon fiber end plates and flaps optimize airflow around the vehicle, enhancing aerodynamic efficiency. Additionally, a carbon fiber shark fin and roof fins, mounted over a carbon fiber rear window insert, improve cornering stability by directing airflow effectively. The rear diffuser is widened with longer fins, complemented by a carbon fiber drag reduction system blade, which increases rear downforce without adding drag. Lightweight carbon fiber aero discs further reduce drag and enhance overall aerodynamic performance. Together, these enhancements enable the 911 GT3 RS to generate over 2,200 lbs of downforce at 177 miles per hour, resulting in improved cornering speeds and superior track performance. Manthey branding details such as illuminated carbon fiber door sills and LED door projectors add exclusivity to the cabin. The kit starts at $116,160 in the US, excluding taxes and installation. Availability in India varies, with details obtainable from local Porsche dealerships. The Manthey Performance Kit transforms the 911 GT3 RS into a track-ready beast, blending aerodynamic brilliance, advanced suspension tuning, and premium craftsmanship.